What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Can you place digits 1 through 9 in the following squares such that every equation is true? Each digit can only be used once. So again, we have equations left to right, as well as equations top to bottom. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play. I'll give you the explanation. So right off the bat in this one, we got an interesting number here. We have a fraction, 8/3. Now, we have multiplication and division. So of course, the first thing that we can think of is, hey, maybe we can get 8 with a 2 and a 4 and simply divide it by 3. And that literally gives us 8 divided by 3, or 8/3. Now, the problem with this setup is to get to 16, we need 12 over here. And with the remaining numbers, really our only way of doing it, right? We can't use 8 and 4. We'd have to use 4 again. But it'd be something with 5 and 7. And the issue is here, I have 20. Which is definitely a multiple of 5. So that's assuming we need a 5 in the middle, meaning a 7 would have to go here. But that's a problem because there is nothing from 1 through 9 that is going to be divisible by 7. So this will give us a fraction, no way to get us to 10. So that means 2 times 4 divided by 3, that's not going to work. But the beauty of fractions is I don't need 8/3 to make this work. I could also get 16/6 or 24/9, etc. So assuming for now that we do have a 2 here, okay, I can get to 16 simply by multiplying by 8. And I can have a 6 here just by putting a 6 here. So we're going to roll with this assumption because this indeed does satisfy that column. And of course, if it doesn't work in the long run, we can try some different values. But let's roll with this. So we got 2 times 8 divided by 6 is 8/3. Now, how are we going to get to 1? Well, there's some different options, right? I could have a 3 here and a 7 here, right? Because we're doing multiplication first. 7 minus 6 is indeed 1. But now we run into another issue, right? How are we going to divide and add something and get to 10? I could put a 1 here, but then that means we'd need another 3 here. That's not going to work. Another option would be to throw a 4 here. That gets us to 8, and then that would require a 9 going here. So far, this actually looks pretty good, right? 9 minus 8 is 1, and then there are values that are going to be divisible by 9 that we can place here, namely 3. So now we're getting somewhere because 9 divided by 3 is 3 plus what is 10? That is 7, and that also has not been used yet. Now we got to this row, 3 plus 8 is 11 plus what is 16? That would be 5. And that's also awesome for this column because 4 times 5 is 20 divided by what is 20? Divided by 1. Now let's verify everything one more time. 9 minus 8 is 1, 3 plus 5 plus 8 is 16, 7 minus 1 is 6 plus 6 is 12. Going top to bottom, 9 divided by 3 is 3 plus 7 is 10, 4 times 5 is 20 divided by 1 is 20, and 2 times 8 is 16/6 reduces to 8/3. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. We'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.